Wagwan, my viewers and my subscriber, them on the dip on. Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, man. Yo, Queen, if you understand, say yo, when people them a type on her things, you know, if you follow them and pay them no mind. No. For the people them just a jar out her and just want to see the bad side or they don't love to see the good side or you see it. Yeah, man, and the dirty people them a do. Queen, if you just don't pay them people in the mind, just focus on our relationship and just go and do our life, you see it. And sometimes she just but I pay the comment section no mind, you see me? And Queen have some things where she talk about her relationship. You don't know through the royal crazy them a get to her sometime, you see it so. She said she a put them in her place and she just there talk about doing and them because something there. You don't know them relationship thing. You know you ever have some ups and downs in a relationship, so she just talk certain things where go down, you see it. And I put the people in them place as where she said. So just go and full up the comment section with the comment them you see it and just like up the video. And just drop a share upon it. Nah costing nothing man. Just share out the video you see it.
Yes, do it as accuser of having STD. No fever. Because he got night fever. Daniel Love, no, we got we wanna get cause I wanna move on a liar. Never say me have no STD. I wanna look views and attention to no have no own. The man say, oh, if you want kiss me and tell me some my mouth stink, it's not me have night fever. Move on a liar and don't come dictate nothing around us. Sir. Dictate this. We just tell us everything negative. 11th of September since I come back, my fly go home at and go make accuse my man and leave my husband alone. Anyone who wants son a bad-minded me not have no husband and no go. When me look all over the internet, do it's a queenest thing, do it's a queen. Stop tell lie upon the man and no go man. I mean enough mix up and color bag already. Ease off, back off man. Vamos. Yeah, and leave the man alone and make him breathe, man. Someone have cranky bag. A little dirty biscuit them. Yeah man, them for go man. What's not nice? Well, stay then if you don't want to go. Alright, since that's that not nice, she major, don't move then, stay. Sexy Shane, we say can't sleep in peace or lack of sleep. Yeah man, don't give man a little breeze, man. Make him give him chance to build himself, man. And allow the man, brethren. When I say me not sell out the man phone no matter. You think me I sell out do it phone no? On the favor belt off from my chest and a nasty rich. You know go on. You could have take up from me till that. You know, come I never sign no contract. So all if and people come and have my back, me sell out the whole honor for my husband. When I work that out for no dirty me, Johnny Sinister S. Scarlett. I sell out the whole honor for my husband. What is that, like? It's true. It's you think I lie, me I tell? Me want different speech, you know. I rather have back. Look how they make me talk about the little. What you say me I am? You're late. You're yam late. I late yam that nobody know late yam. Them belly full already. All if none of my friends them a chat do them can't chat do it. Them have to approach me with caution. Oh, make me go to them and chat do it. And them have to know what them a chat. But you think I do it, me make? I told them late. Them a call me yammed but don't late. That's still argument. Nobody know why you know yammed argument. Late argument. Come with something fresh to sweet the people them. Them tired of that. Even me telling us to me a yammed. Them have to approach with caution. Nobody can say no. All if do it, you think I do it, man. I saw me still. Me telling her. My grandmother, my auntie her name Auntie Cassie. She did and gone. Auntie Cassie and her son did have something named Errol. And Errol, they've gone to my Auntie Cassie church sister go make complain about his mother. And I say, the woman start chat Auntie Cassie. I see my Rasta cousin, my auntie son, we're going to make complaint about him, mother. Beat. Yeah, one happy yam. See, new yam argument there. Yeah, that makes sense. Means one happy yam. Right, but that late one about yam. Duh. No one do with a yam. Annoying story over and over again. Yeah, happy yam. I like that. But me a yam it for true. I like it. I'll be an example to enough girl. Happy yam. Just allow me, make me be my happy yam. Me not fight no down for. What's up, and say? Queenie, you're the biggest yam to ever be planted. But people no, let me tell you the truth now. Your mom talking again, Queenie. When I doing I care every day, I not live now, I care, I'm living now. Me couldn't forget about girl power. After I'm not busy with girl power more than my husband. So nothing gonna important more than my husband. I'm not favorite dog. If me not happy with my husband, I can't get no girl power. That me have to tell you now. So no better try keep people no want girl power. I do not blame my husband for nothing. I not pay me for girl power. I do girl power when me want the girl power. Oh, I don't want to answer to somebody here. Let me go back up here, so. I wanted to answer you. Go on. The only marriage reg I go work for do it really, real love. If he doesn't, he actually him I go get him stay and cut. Are you a nice life? Me hope it work out. Maybe I him I go cut with. Well, who have eyes to see? But do we have stay so you know make no I stay. Me not say a 4 times the boy got Jamaica king like him I live. You know eat that to no go. And I put on a mouth pan this. Him have stay, him come here with stay where government give him. So, whether full stay, quarter stay, him have him stay with enough jackass. Bad man, do we not go nowhere? Another one let me do answer. Do we have him stay, girl? The only way marriage I go work. Oh, I read that already. That me just answer. Do we have him stay, girlfriend? You know, like in a people business, where your cousin will want to come to England from when I can't reach. Where girl just him and go down, they go marry to him and make him play stuck. You know, go ahead. My dads. My mama putting it to blue when my husband slide on the silver suitcase. Me this one comment when me do want to tackle, you know. What the person say? I miss it through, me have so much things. I wanted to tackle it. Exactly. Cause she said it out her mouth even about the studs. Not make we looking crazy. I want me out of my mouth, goody good. Come talk to me. You at that girl and say exactly cause she said me never tell none of so me have studs, so know what you hear out of my mouth, drunk. Studs life in me. The last time I catch something in my life at Jamaica when I'm gonna raya. Don't chat shit to my boy you hear out of my mouth. I only right pam social media so me have studs. Not a thing that do my nice and creamy. And me smell my doctor. Me know when dick. You hear that? Sometimes how this start itch me some by my time I say stop itch cause itching is natural. Move on the you hear nothing out of my mouth. Go and a can of propaganda upon my husband but me telling about no STD. Lie! You turn pudding now. I love your song, Queenie Bad. Thank you. That's on your playlist. What the girl say me say? You're the biggest yam to be ever be planted. But think of that question I didn't want to answer. No, come in no other. As somebody, you're the biggest yam to be planted. Alright, let me tell you something, baby. You know why I don't look on it that way? Why that way there? A lot of you don't want to lose and you can't take disappointment and downfall. So it's when you get vulnerable and you desperate and you go make other man, the queen man and a friend man, forget comfort. They want to do that, forget comfort, and end up turn one. The man wanna never get time for clear him head for see if it should work out. A lot of them don't have no patience. Because I don't feel like someone in a relationship, it forgot perfect. You see, because I don't feel so it forgot perfect, because I'm not nice, I'm not sexy, I'm not pretty, whatever I don't think of. Because I don't think that way there. When the man they make one little error, like him go next door, you know, I know something nice to deal with. Nobody don't want that, but it happens, innit? So when I go look on it, you know, so it's either I go left that man and make him go to the neighbor every night, and then me I go over here so lonely, have him up, see him and stone him and run him down. It better you just forgive him and start back and hope him not do it again. With a question sign over here to say, you know that dirty man I go cheat again, but you know where him give, innit? No, me I go left do it now and take right. Ken, when me take Ken, come up like it big. And him I go whisper to him friend and say, if you know about me no like one side or because it's too big. Right there and then I style Ken I go style me, you know. So Ken might not be highlighted that me I got come on internet because me might either get Ken arguments fake, you know. Then when me then just run Ken friend now, Ken I go say, Queenie. Ken friend I go tell me say, Queenie, Ken say one of you disrespect see me. So why when I go constantly say me I'm Yamed? My old school, you know. But growing my granny says stick to the evil way you know, you know. And I believe in that. I know what my husband capability, I know him weakness, I know him downfall. So what I do? I take a pause and I just sit back. And just give my language and I forget him growth as well. He might make mistake, he might go there and do wrongs, to see where him go wrong. So when I say me I am just a great woman with understanding and I'm very caring. And I'm not gonna leave my husband if one next man love me. Me not for wonder if do love me because I do it come married to me and ask me for married to me. I do it look for me one night and say to me say, me I go put on my queen for me. And me say if you want to put on your cream, why you not gonna put on your cream? Him say not my cream, my queen. And him tattoo him name for me. Me never ask do that half I'm art. Out of him own free will. Do is not one aga one dirty boy like me, no, but him is a drunker, yes. Because you know the dirty Jamaican boy them, but do is not one old school. So it's the awfulness when me show and stand up to him and face my husband now go do that. So that part there where me come in. When me have to stand up for my husband and I tell him, say me now left Paul and go tell and then Peter stands. Calm down, Queenie. So that's why I'm going to say me I am head. Because my pride and joy. You know, some one don't understand. These are old school woman. I may have the frame of mind. Then say when you're married, you 9 years what a cross is that me kind of old school and old fashioned them little weird here. Me kind of myself like me I say if me go cheat now like do I cheat now I want to get back to do it. Me go call one that man for make the man one picture one video send go get do it. Them thinking them have. Cause me not have no backup. Me not have no man where me can't go on my WhatsApp now. My husband know. So that girl who has screenshot tell do it so not perfect. My husband have my passport and him going on my phone. Him anytime I send him in on my phone, nothing in there hide. Me not have a little side backup man that when do it trouble me. Me can say, one baby, you